In this video I'm going to make a healthy, gluten-free flatbread that tastes just like chips. It's the most healthy snack you'll ever make, and it's really easy and it's really fast to make. So this is something for you if you're looking for a great idea to make healthy snacks for your family. Maybe you don't think you have time to bake after a long day at work, but I'm pretty sure that you have time to make these. They're so fast to make and they're really good and easy, and it's not expensive, and when you're finished it tastes just like tortilla chips. Every time you feel like a salty snack or an unhealthy bag of chips, just eat these. They're so much better for you. Great, so you're ready to mix it all up. So you got your corn flour right here, and you got all these really healthy seeds. Got your, this was pumpkin seed, this is sunflower seed, some linseeds. Just stir it all together, and here you have all your dry ingredients. Then you take your olive oil, really healthy olive oil, just pour it all in. Really good there. And then you take your boiling water, and this is very important that it's hot, very hot boiling water, because if you don't use the hot water, the corn flour will not absorb it, and you will get a very wet dough, and you will not be able to shape it into flatbreads. So you want your dough to be a little bit like this, not too fluid, but you want to be able to shape it. Just scrape everything out on your baking paper, and then you use a second piece of baking paper to roll it. And you can make it just as flat as you'd like it. I usually make it by about half a centimeter flat, thick, half a centimeter thick. This is a really nice dough to roll because it's not elastic because of the corn flour. The corn flour will just do whatever you like. There you go. I like to also always put a bit of salt on the flatbread on top. This will make it taste just like chips. It's a really good, satisfying, healthy snack. So when you're done with the salt, you can add different kinds of spices. Some like rosemary or thyme or oregano. That's some of the spices that work really good on this kind of flatbread and will make it the perfect healthy snack for you. Then just before you put it in the oven, just cut it up. Cut some squares or triangles or whatever you like. Because when you're done baking it, you can just crack them into shape and you'll get snack just the sizes that you like. That's it. Needs to go to the oven. So now we finished the flatbread. It's right here. It's ready to be eaten, and you just crack it. That's why you cut it, because now it's easy to crack in nice slices just to eat. And it's really delicious, and it's really easy to make, and it tastes just like chips.